Hello everyone! Today I want to share a review of the Hermes Clic H bracelet. I have a regular Clic H in the Blanc or white enamel with the Palladium plated hardware and a Clic H Fusion in the Lilas and Ultramarine enamel with the rose gold plated hardware. I've had the solid white one for maybe 6 years now, and the gradient one is a more recent purchase from earlier this year. I have previously seen the bracelet with the solid color enamel in both the Lilas and the Ultramarine, but I was never tempted to pick up another one until I came across this Fusion version with both colors. The H clasp on the Fusion bracelet also has enamel versus the solid metal clasp on the regular version. The hinge design makes it very easy to take this bracelet on and off with just one hand by lightly pinching the two sides and twisting the H clasp. It is a bit early to comment on the wear and tear of the Fusion bracelet since it is a more recent release from Hermes. So focusing on the solid version, which I've worn regularly over the past 6 years or so, the only obvious sign of age is that the metal finish on the inner rim no longer looks as shiny as it used to be. I am okay with that, especially since when the bracelet is worn on the wrist, no one sees the inner rim anyways. In contrast, the metal finish on the outside still looks really good. I think the oval shape is one reason why I don't really spot any scratches. These bracelets tend not to move around, especially when compared to a circular bangle. These bracelets do have a bit of weight, so they tend to leave a mark on my arm by the end of the day, but I have not experienced any discomfort while wearing these pieces. I store these bracelets on a tray in open air, and the only maintenance I do is occasionally wiping them down with a soft cloth, mostly to get rid of fingerprints on the metal. These bracelets are considered fashion jewelry as they are metal plated. I wear the PM size, and there's also a larger GM size. The Fusion version with 2 colors is a bit more expensive than the solid color bracelet, and both colorways are also available in a wider version called the Hermes Clic H bracelet. I am very happy with both of my purchases, but I don't have any plans to add more of these bracelets, unless of course a very special combination comes along. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.